we had to grab some fuel for our buggies and some fuel for us. So we go to our normal spot, Palmer's, and the ethanol-free gas station by my house. And then we're going to be hitting the trails. This weekend, I'm trying to break open some new trails. And as you can see, there is no traction. There's traction on the rocks once I get there, but everything else is still covered in leaves and moss, and there's just not enough. So this is going to take a while, and that's why I really want people to come out and run some of these trails and get them broken in. So stay tuned. There will be a lot more action. Passenger. So this trail here isn't named yet, and again, these trails are only ran a couple of times. This one is the first time. I've never made it past the tombstone rock sticking up, and I broke a carrier bearing support bracket, so he decided to try it. This trail is super steep, as you'll see in a minute. He almost actually rolls it. So he made it up with winching himself back around and just to get straightened up. So he's technically the only one that's ever made it. These trails, it might seem like we're rock bouncing, but we're really trying to break in the trail. There's so much loose rocks that need to settle. There's moss, there's dead leaves. It's just a mess, but this is what it takes to break open trails on the East Coast. And in a minute, you're going to see Steve do Steve Dalton things. Back up to that tree and go. Back up to the tree and go. I ain't going to hit it that hard. You're moving it. That's bad. Huh? That's bad. As you could see, the tombstone rock's right behind him, so he only winched straight, so he didn't roll it, and now he's finishing the trail. So this is the top of the trail, and as you can tell, it's sort of like a spine, and you can tell how steep it is. Yes, it's way more sketchier in person, but it's doable for a drag axle, as you'll see, and with proper spotting, it's not terrible. And what you have to do is kind of work your way around this spine and then drop back in. Hard driver, back up. Really wish you had cut brakes. Back up. Back. I want to get hung on that tree. Yeah. Keep going. Stop. Less brakes, less brakes.
No, that's no brakes.
Oh, that is? Oh. Yeah, buddy. Did you think you were going to roll?
I didn't really care much because I knew I could back down. This is going to be sketchy enough right here.
Let your front suck out. Drive straight to that tree, that little tree straight in front. See that one? Drive straight to that, then front dig. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. All right, front dig. You're good. Dig.
Huh?
Dig.
No shit, I don't want to fucking roll.
You're gonna hit your tree.
Huh?
You got a tree on this side. You're good. Like a technician. So thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to help in any way, I will have a link to an Amazon wish list. We could always use spray paint to mark trails and chainsaw blades and etc. Thank you.